Welcome to our YouTube channel. Choosing between cPanel and Direct Admin depends on your priorities. Here's a short comparison. cPanel Pro is extremely user-friendly, widely known for its intuitive, icon-based graphical interface, making it easy for beginners. Feature-rich, offers a vast array of tools for managing domains, emails, files, databases, security, and more. Wider community support. Due to its popularity, finding resources, tutorials, and community help is generally easier. WHM integration, often paired with WHM, Web Host Manager, for server-level management, ideal for resellers and hosts. Cons: resource intensive, can consume more server resources, CPU, RAM, due to its extensive features. Higher cost, generally more expensive, especially with its account-based licensing model, which has seen price increases. Linux only, exclusively runs on Linux operating systems. Direct Admin Pro is lightweight and fast, designed to be resource efficient, making it ideal for VPS and lower resource servers. Cost-effective, typically more affordable, often with flat rate or tiered pricing that can be more predictable for managing multiple accounts. Stable and reliable, known for its stability and automatic crash recovery. Customizable, offers good customization options for its interface, skins. Cons: steeper learning curve, while clean, its interface might be less intuitive for complete beginners compared to cPanel's highly visual approach. Fewer built-in features, plugins, has a more streamlined set of core features, potentially requiring more manual setup or third-party integrations for advanced functionalities. Smaller community, while growing, its community and readily available resources are not as extensive as cPanel's. Linux only, also exclusively runs on Linux operating systems. In essence, choose cPanel if you prioritize ease of use, a comprehensive feature set, extensive community support, and are willing to pay a higher price and have sufficient server resources. It's often the go-to for shared hosting users and those new to server management. Choose Direct Admin if you prioritize performance, resource efficiency, cost effectiveness, and are comfortable with a slightly less visually overwhelming interface. It's popular among resellers, advanced users, and those running smaller to mid-sized hosting environments. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.